welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different, or this video we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be staying at a horse therapy farm for 2 weeks, kind of exploring like how animals help with anxiety and help with physical therapy and stuff like that. So I'll be working here for a little bit over 2 weeks. So I'll be taking you guys around. I feel a lot better now that I've gotten here, because I wanted to film leaving my house in Paris, but there's a curfew now in Paris, so I was like stressed about that because I was afraid I was going to get stopped, and I wasn't sure like if they were going to take my train ticket, you know. And then I was on the train, and I thought I would sleep on the train, but you would think that a night train would like take the lights off, but they didn't. So I was like up for most of the time, and then I wanted to film when I got to the Gare, but it didn't happen. But now I'm here in Brest, and I'll be taking you guys along with me for this 2-week journey, and I'm really excited and I feel really good, because I was having kind of like a bad time in Paris, like not a bad time, but like a little bit, yeah, I was having a little bit of a bad time and like not really feeling like purposeful, you know, with the COVID and everything. So I needed to do something a bit different. So I'm glad I took this time to, you know, do this. Okay guys, so this is my room that I'm staying in. All right, so today's kind of like a free day. So I took a really long nap because I left Paris at midnight and I arrived in Brest at like 5:55 a.m. and I didn't even sleep at all. So I slept when I got, well, no, I did like a little bit of stuff. I like fed some horses, fed the chickens, like set up the horses for, you know, the day, and then I like slept till 5, and that was it. Now I'm like exploring a bit the farm and the park next to the farm and everything. I'm definitely gonna get lost, and hopefully I can find my way back, but if not, that's fine too. C'est ma vie en fait, pardon. Just walking my horses. They're not listening, but walking them. Salut. Salut. Pardon, excuse-moi. Pardon. claque. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't. Alors, Sonia à la plage. Wouh!
Voilà, plus de maison.
Stupid because I locked myself in the box in the barn with the horse. So now I have to wait to get out, or I have to, I don't know, about I'm stuck in here with my bud. Yep.